Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's solve this nice exponential problem. 8 power t plus 2 power t equals 130. I want to find the value of t here. Given 8 power of t plus 2 power of t equals 130. So before watching this video further, you can drop the answer in the comment box by pausing this video. And if not, let's get into it. We have to note that for every 8 power of t, so this is the same thing as 2 power of 3, then raised to power of t, which we also write this as 2 power of t all raised to power of 3. So this expression. Then by replacing it, we have 2 power of t all raised to power of 3 plus 2 power of t equals 130. So we have 2 power t 2 power of t is common here. Then we are going to let, by replacing 2 power of t to be equals p. Therefore, we have p power of 3 plus p equals 130. At this line, we have a cubic equations because of the power of 3. And we need to find the answer that makes these two sides equal. We can just start guessing the answer from here. So looking at this, we can see that 5 satisfies this. But let's stop guessing. Let's do real math. The first thing is we transfer this 130 to this left hand side. So here remains p power of 3, then plus p minus 130 equals 0. So 130 here, suppose I break this 130 as the sum of 125 plus 5. And we are going to see the reason later. Here we have p power of 3 plus p minus, open this, we have this as minus 125 minus 5 equals 0. Then again we have p power t plus p minus 125 is 5 power of 3 minus here is 5 equals 0. So after getting this, let's do the comparisons. Here is p power 3 and here is 5 power 3. We have to combine these together because they have the same power. So having the same power of 8, so we can easily combine them as p power of 3, then minus 5 power of 3. All this in brackets. Then we have plus p minus 5, all in bracket equals 0. Then in the next step, we are going to have, so after having this, p power of 3 minus 5 power 3, this is a particular identity. This is difference of 2 cube. P is having power of 3 and the 5 is also having power of 3. So when we solve this into p minus 5, then multiply by p squared plus 5p plus 25. So the whole of this p cube minus 5 cube is given as, sorry for this marker, is given as p minus 5, p squared plus 5p plus 25. Then here is plus p minus 5 equals 0. Then having this, we have to know how we get this. If you have a raised to power of 3 minus b raised to power of 3, this is equals a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is what I applied for getting this. Then a is p minus 5 and a is also p minus 5. Let's factor out p minus 5. When I factor out p minus 5, dividing this one by p minus 5, we are going to have p squared plus 5p plus 25. And also when we divide this one by p minus 5, we have it as plus 1. So therefore, we are going to continue by having p minus 5, then open bracket p squared plus 5p plus 25 plus 1, that is 26, equals 0. So we let p minus 5 equals 0. And this shows that p here equals 5. If p equals 5, and we record for where we let 2 power of t equals p. Therefore, 2 power of t here will be equals 5. And to get t, we introduce log on both sides. We introduce log on both sides, so this is a basic math as we get log 5 base 2. So here is the first solution that satisfies this. And when we look at the other part of this, we have p squared plus 5p plus 26 equals 0. So here is a quadratic, and if you want to obtain the discriminant here, the discriminant is given as b squared minus 4ac. So where is b? B is 5, and a is coefficient of p squared, c is this. When we plug everything here, we are going to get minus 79. That is the value of discriminant. And to get the value of p, what we need here is we apply this formula minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2. So which means that when we try and substitute everything like this, we are going to have minus 5 plus or minus I root 79 divided by 2. So here is a complex root. Then we're still going to substitute back into 2 power of t equals p, and we get another complex values. So this is how we solve this problem step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.